I think a lot of people naturally think like money is a sin, and that is not anywhere in the Bible. And I'm no pastor or anything like that. I just love Jesus, but I have done a good amount of due diligence on this. And what I found is a lot of people are really talking about Proverbs 22 when it talks about people being slave to the lender, and that becoming a slave of debt is something that is potentially looked upon as sinful or just not good to do as a Christian.
Yeah.
And I think you gotta really get to the heart of that, right? So the reality is money doesn't cause sin in itself. Money doesn't cause purity in itself.
Yeah.
What it does is it is going to exemplify. It's going to be like put a megaphone in front of whatever the aroma of your heart is.
Yep.
That's it. So if the aroma of your heart is to be greedy, to take people's money, to be a hoarder, to be all these things,
Yep.
then money is going to make that worse.